Come on, Yuki. Yeah, this is right outside or inside the town of Taiban, New Mexico. It's about 5 or 6 miles east of Fort Sumner, and I think this is one of those houses that you see a lot on Instagram and stuff. People can get their sunrise shots and stuff, but hey, I'm kind of digging this right here with the clouds and stuff in the background. It's kind of nice. We'll go look inside of it too, since there's no signs or nothing. What could have been, an old church? Sorry, I'm shaking. Yeah, it had been like a church, and that was the tower right there. Pretty cool. Come on, let's go inside. Come on, Yuki. Whoa. Sorry for any graffiti. Wow. Okay, how about this, Anna? Do you approve? Come on, Yuki. Come on. There you go. I like that. I don't know if you can see that, but it says, "The desert is always watching." That's cool. Come here, Yuki. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. I know you're scared to come in here. I don't blame you. Watch out for the holes. Here you go.